Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2011 Honda CBR250R. This is Honda's entry-level sport bike. Has the 249cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is the clean title California bike. It shows 14,395 miles on the odometer. But actual miles are unknown. The engine was replaced with a new engine. ABS brakes, lightweight, low seat height, user-friendly engine. Make this a great beginner's bike. Handles very nicely. Clean bike all around. Priced great at only $24.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.